Good morning. It's 7:27 a.m. I'm Leslie Marin. New from overnight, more than 24 people are now searching for a new place to call home. At about 9 p.m., Bakersfield Fire received reports of a fire in the 1000 block of Quincy Street. When they arrived, they found a blaze burning at a vacant home, but that fire soon spread to a nearby apartment building. About 26 people were displaced. Now the local Red Cross chapter is helping those families find a place to stay. And today, the Red Cross is making sure your family is prepared if tragedy were to strike. A team of volunteers will be walking in East Bakersfield neighborhood to install fire alarms today from 8 a.m. to noon. It will begin at the Boys and Girls Club at 801 Niles Street. Now let's take a look at your KernCast 23 with Kelly Johnson.
Good morning, everyone. Well, it's looking pretty clear out there. We do have some rain chances this evening. We're going to hit that high of 98 degrees, 20% chance going to 30% chance as we get into these evening hours. 98 is pretty hot, and hopefully we'll get some rain to help cool us down. Lake Isabella area looking pretty great as well. Wind speeds really picking up in those lunch hours, 93 degrees at 4 p.m. Then we get that 30% chance of rain, 75 degrees as we start ending our evening at 8 p.m. And Tehachapi, rain chances look a little bit more significant, staying pretty breezy, and then by 8 p.m. 78 degrees, looking good out there. So hopefully we'll get that rain, but it's going to be hot as well. Sending it back to you, Leslie.
Thank you, Kelly. Well, that's what's making news at this hour. Join us back here in 30 minutes for 23 ABC News at 8 a.m.